Hey everybody, come let's check out this new restaurant. It's called Serrano, and they're doing their soft launch, and it will be opening very soon on the weekend. So we're here at the Andalusia Mall. This is in Majan area next to the Living Legends community, and there's a few restaurants here already, and we will be visiting the Serrano restaurant. It's a Mexican cuisine. Started off here with two types of rice and some beans, and now we're going up to the toppings. Wow, lots of choices
We have
to choose from.
vegetables, we have fruits, we have pickles, pickled jalapenos, pickled onions.
Make sure you watch till the end because we're gonna be hearing directly from the man behind the concept.
Fresh guacamole, pickled
Nice. All right, so here we have our burrito cups, and you get to choose between two types of rice, and then of course your toppings, and then right on top comes the chicken, which has been marinated for 24 hours and then grilled. So the good thing here is everything is fresh. There's nothing coming from the freezer, and it's prepared fresh as well. Nice. Brilliant. Love it. All right, fresh quesadillas, and these look really amazing. Let me try it with some sour ranch sauce and some guacamole. And dude, this smells awesome. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Oh yeah, awesome flavor. Here's the man behind the concept, Mr. Raja.
I get shy on camera.
By the way, he's a food blogger as well. But as you just heard him say, he gets shy behind the camera. Would you have ever thought these two things match with each other? No. All right, brilliant.
We like exactly the amount of coffee we need, which is 20 grams per shot.
Precision is the key here.
Yes.
It should be accurate and precise. So I got myself an espresso, and here's a hazelnut latte being prepared for the missus. Right, Raja.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you, buddy.
Welcome,
and
welcome. Welcome,
all the
Mr.
best with this new endeavor of yours.
Thank you so much.
And I can tell you, having tried, some of the food, it is amazing. And when I walked in, I said, he asked me, what would you like to have? And I was, whatever will bring me back. And I will definitely be back. That I can tell you guys.
That's awesome to hear, actually. Yeah. Our concept is just based on what I love to eat, because I'm a guy that values healthy food and tasty food. So I
Excellent.
try to find a very healthy balance. So it's a Mexican concept with my kind of twists. I created the recipes, even the spices. They are special blend, secret blend. We have fresh ingredients, even fruits. So your bite can differ from classic bite to a more modern twist with some sweetness, sourness from fruits. The sauces even, they are very healthy, based on sour cream. There is no mayonnaise, there is no added oils. So I am pushing for this healthy move.
That's brilliant.
And fresh. Even meat is fresh, made to order. There is no meat sitting in the heater for 4 or 5 hours waiting for you to make the order. No. Whenever you order, it's put on the grill.
So no freezers and no heaters.
For our meat, absolutely not.
Excellent.
Yeah, but for our people who love, fried food, we have to have fried food, unfortunately. But
You gotta cater for
but
everything.
it's done perfectly. Even I chose the best oil we can use.
Excellent.
We have fresh nachos. Next time you come, we're gonna try them. You
Awesome.
need to order too.
Awesome.
And very special Cajun spiced fries,
Oh, that's brilliant.
which is
That's
really,
brilliant.
really nice.
Excellent, Raja. Like I said, pleasure meeting you, and it was brilliant. The food definitely tingled my taste buds, and I'll be back here, inshallah, soon. And Raja was telling us that he's got another couple of surprises coming up.
Yes.
But we don't want to give them away. You guys have to come down here. This is the Serrano in Majan, right next to the Living Legends. In the commercial Andulisia Mall it is. All right, so you guys better come here, right? You're gonna love the food, absolutely. Take care. Bye bye.